Guys, welcome back to my channel. Previous video show you how to clean your laptop's cooling system and junk files. In the last video of this playlist, I'm gonna share 6 easy maintenance tips to help extend its lifespan. Let's get started. First up, battery care. To keep your battery healthy, try using a laptop's built-in battery saver mode. On most laptops, you can find this by clicking on the battery icon. The default is performance mode, and the other two options are performance and better battery. And slide the progress bar all the way to the left to battery saver mode. It helps you save power and prolong the life of your battery. Another useful tip is to avoid letting your battery drain completely. Start charging when it reaches around 20%. This helps prevent damage caused by fully draining the battery. When it comes to carry your laptop, make sure you are using proper protective case or bag. Looking for one with padding to absorb any shocks during transport. A snug fit is essential to prevent the laptop from moving around the inside. Another quick tip: always shut down your laptop or put it in sleep mode before you move it. This helps protect the internal components, especially if you are on the go. Finally, let's talk about software safety. Always download apps from official sources like the Microsoft Store or other official websites. Just find the Microsoft Store on your laptop, and all the software here are safe for use. Most of them are free, and a few software and games are charged. However, if you don't find the software here, you may need to visit the official website to download it. For example, I need to download the official ISOsoft software. Just search it from Google and find the official website. Then I can download the software I want without any safety problems. This way, you are sure to get safe and reliable programs. Moreover, make sure your antivirus software is running real-time protection. Open Windows Settings, then go to Windows Security. Make sure all protections are active. This can help you catch any threats as soon as they appear. I also download Warong Internet Security, which is also very useful. By following those simple steps, you can keep your laptop running smoothly and avoid unnecessary problems down the road. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.